Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Frida. Happy birthday to you.
Frida is 2 years old today.
Okay, so come on forward, let's see what you got here. I see you got your pole head knockers on there, so you don't hit that. And I like how you've done the, I guess, is that Western or?
It is, yes. One of the sisters on the fly actually made these vinyls for me, and she put them on. And I kind of like a Western theme. I grew up on a farm. And
well, that's fun. I love that. And then she's got her little patio here. A place to put something. Boy, you were simple. Oh, Zip D, that's the Airstream chair.
This is one of my parents' chairs that they used.
Oh,
they used to RV.
That means so much.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, I think that's so cool. And then she's got her whisper. I like that. Right here.
Look at the sand. You gotta have a whisper.
The sand. This is a sandy spot too. And then she's got her little awning up here, and it's a little windy today. So she's got it pulled out just a little bit. Still going with the same Western theme with the brands. That's cool. How long have you had it?
I have had this 3 years. I bought it when I retired from teaching.
No, that's so fun. What'd you teach?
I taught middle school science in Fort Worth, Texas.
Ask me any science question. Go ahead. I can. Any science question. Go ahead.
I am done with science.
Well, look what she pulls it with, Jennifer. This is so cool. Look at this big bad Jeep, man.
Man, I love it.
Oh, it's so awesome. You got the brows on the front.
I love it. Guys love it. Girls love it. Kids love it.
It's the best, man. And the color is the right color, at least for me.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the color. And there's her sign out front. And there's a stick to put it on. Oh, Frida. Happy birthday to you. And I see that you keep it on chalks. You don't unhook it.
Well,
right?
Not always. I didn't today because I didn't need to. And I put it up on these. It levels out the tongue.
Yeah, why not? I mean, if you don't need it. Man, you can need 2 people to change that spare tire. Woo!
Hopefully roadside assistance.
Lord almighty. All right, so let's go check it out inside. That's what I'm excited about. Okay, so I'm headed into Jennifer and Frida's trailer. I love these little tea towels. And I love, of course, old is gold to me, you know? And that is too cool. All right, so we're stepping in here. Looks like that's Frida's food. There's the air conditioner right there. Right out of the way, man. And look at all her patches. How long have you been Sisters on the Fly?
For about 3 years when I bought the trailer.
Look at all those. On a belt too. I think that's a great idea. And as you step in.
Two of those are my dad's belts.
Oh, I love that.
Appropriate.
That's just so good. And look how she's got this made. And this is what I love about it. You have done is the chair that you're sitting in.
Yeah.
She is taking out the sitting area.
Well, this had 2 chairs.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is, with a Casita, you can get a variety of layouts. And I chose the one with the chairs, and then I took 1 chair out because it's just me and Frida doesn't need a chair. And so I put in the old tea cart.
Oh, that is an old tea cart.
For storage.
I love that. And that chair, it's the perfect, I mean, it's just right. You put that around, put your feet on that bed sometimes?
And I watch that TV.
I was gonna say, that's gotta be the spot right there. Bed here, yeehaw. Look at that backlit tea towel. You know it, man. Whoa. Oh, we live right there somewhere, way East Texas. That's it. Oh, and I love the Western theme the whole way. Oh, and did you make these?
I did make these.
Oh, that's the best.
Yes, I made the lights.
You guys are the most creative group of people. We
feed off of each other.
You do.
We really do.
I mean, man, it's just amazing how creative y'all are.
And then somebody starts maybe painting in their trailer or doing something, so I decided I was going to paint in my trailer, and right now it's a work in progress.
I love it. Even her cup is Western.
Yep.
And of course, you know I'm going to love that salt tin. Oh man, it's so good. Oh, she got some storage under that bed too.
I've got storage there, and I have a closet, and
got her doors up here.
Yeah.
She's got her ukulele. Of course, if y'all been following me, Sisters on the Fly and their ukuleles.
If we're not yakking, we're uking. I just made that up.
I like that. That may be the new motto. She's got her spurs hung up here. How cool is that?
Those were my spurs when I was a kid, and my chaps and my gloves.
No.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
And then a pair of my dad's spurs.
Oh, and these are your little gloves?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Sweetest thing ever. Oh,
Thank God my mother kept everything.
Yes, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna try and swing around here. And she's got her cabinets, which is in the process of being painted right now. Yep. Oh, and she's got the button latches on there, which are always awesome. Yep.
And there's.
Oh, and you hid your microwave, sure.
So there's the microwave.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's really a good use of space there, instead of it being right out your face.
It is, yeah, it is. Got a refrigerator here, and this helps keep the door shut when I travel.
Sure it does.
Nothing's worse than everything's on the floor.
Yeah, you get in, and the ceiling's interesting. Of course, I've been in a lot of casitas, but it's carpeted up here, which I think is great. Is that stock on a casita to have it carpeted?
Everything is carpeted in a casita for insulation.
It's really awesome, and then she's got her patches up there.
What is awesome, you can just use a pen and stick anything you want.
Oh, sure. It's like a pincushion on the ceiling. Oh, I just love that. Wow. Like Sisters on the Fly, what have they meant to you? Has it been like a fellowship for you?
It has been the most supportive group of ladies I have ever met.
Oh.
And every day is a good day when you're with this group.
Oh, I love that.
So even if you're having a bad day, come camping, you'll have a good day.
I love that. Jennifer, thank you so much. See you down the road.
See ya. Bye, y'all.
See ya.